We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Robert Adams. He was a member of the United States Army. He served from 1951 to 1953. His hometown, Joplin, Missouri. We are proud to salute Robert Adams, our four-state hero. Coincidentally enough, Mr. Adams turns 92 years old today, and we celebrate his birthday. Current Joplin resident, of course, today's four-state hero. Happy birthday, Mr. Adams. Thank you for your service.
Happy birthday, Mr. Adams. Leo Woods, he is celebrating his second birthday. Come off of our four-state hero there to a Captain America shirt and something else. Happy birthday, Mr. Leo, as he celebrates his second in Chanute.
Sage Whitworth is turning 5 years old this year. What she got there in her hand, a baby chick? Happy birthday, Sage, in Humboldt, Kansas.
I like that picture. Emerson Ratcliffe, a big 7th birthday. Peace out, kiddo. Nice bow. Love it. Miss Emerson is in Fort Scott.
And Cody Mitchell celebrating birthday number 8 this year. That's him on the left there in Webb City.
Now you know who that is on the right?
Well, that's Cody's grandma.
That's Grandma Diana Farley. How cool is that? Yeah, I bet that's really special for Miss Diana. Diana, a very happy birthday to both you and Cody.
All right. Caden Shouse is turning 10 years old this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Caden, in Pittsburgh.
Got another one just hit double digits, Marone Schubach. Happy birthday to her as she celebrates big number 10 out by the lake.
All right, hard to believe
Rowan Farlington.
Yeah. Out in Chanute, Olivia Wheatley turning 11 years old this year. Happy birthday, Olivia.
And we got a 12-year-old in the form of Quincy Coots. Nice looking cake there, Quincy. I love that. She's celebrating in Cherokee.
All right, and Abigail Coleman. Welcome to adulthood, Abigail. Turning 18 years old in Baxter Springs today.
Just real fast, I would like to know the origination of the spelling of her first name.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cool. I have not seen that before. That's really neat, Abigail. If you have a chance, send Tanya a message on Facebook to get to the bottom of that.
Please do.
Bailey Cares, a happy 27th birthday. Speaking of warmer weather on the way, looks like we got a beach picture right there. Bailey's in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Kendall Winter turning the big 3-0 this year. Kendall celebrating in St. Paul.
Back to Pittsburgh for Joan Stevenson's 56th birthday. A happy birthday to Joan.
All right, after Joan, we have Bob Kirkwood turning 80 years old this year. Looks like he couldn't be happier than in that picture there. Bob is in Chitopa.
Spoiling somebody as well, evidently. Darlene North, she is celebrating. Speaking of spoiling people, all these grandparents and great-grandparents, it's too great. Happy 83rd to Miss Darlene, and this is her most recent granddaughter. That's little Palmer that you see there in Darlene's arms. Happy birthday, Darlene.
Aw, that's sweet. Let's see, we've got a freshman at Labette County High School in Altamont, Riley Bebb.
No. This is mine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is mine. I knew she was coming up. All right, that kid you see right there, I can tell you that she's a great athlete. I can tell you that she can pitch and she can hit. But you know what else I can tell you? Is she's a tremendous kid and an even better person than she is an athlete. I have had the opportunity to not only be around Riley at extended periods of time, but also gotten to know her wonderful family, from her mom and her dad through her grandparents. And so it's no surprise that she is the young woman that she's turned out to be because of them and the way she was raised. Riley, you know that Caitlin, Kale, and I love you very, very much, and a big happy birthday from all of us here at KOAM, and especially the Hayslip household. Now go give your sister Hades.
Yeah, you do that. Happy birthday, Riley. Gwen Roseberry celebrating a birthday in Chanute. Looks like they're playing and having
That's a good
fun
picture
there.
right there.
Love it. Smile.
I like that. James and Heather Buchanan, they are celebrating their 14th anniversary. Speaking of beautiful pictures, look at that. They are in Jasper. Congratulations, James and Heather.
All right, and Tom and Crystal Henderson are celebrating their 37th anniversary. Ahoy, matey! I'm sorry, I had to do it. They're in Afton, Oklahoma.
That's good. And a good friend of KOAM, Miss Sonia Richie. Sonia, a very happy birthday from all of us here at the station. Have a marvelous day.
All right, and our list goes on with Dawson James King turning 19 years old this year in Iola. Happy birthday from Papa and Grandma Julie. And Joanne Biancarelli in Cherokee. Happy birthday to you.
Riley Hardy, the big 2-0. And Riley, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from the entire family. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOA Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.